So for this video, I'm going to be talking about prokaryotic transcriptional regulation. There are usually four types of this transcriptional regulation, but for this video, I'm going to talk about the positive inducible mechanism. So for this mechanism, there are multiple terms that you got to know to understand the diagram to the right. So first we have the activator protein. The activator protein binds to the operator and the activator DNA binding site. The operator and the activator DNA binding site kind of act similar depending on different DNA sequences for the activator protein to bind to. The activator protein is called an activator protein because when it binds to that operator or the binding site, it allows transcription to occur because the RNA polymerase, indicated here in yellow, sees that activator protein binded to the operator, indicated by this little exclamation point. It sees it. It's like, okay, yeah, I can start transcription right now by binding to this promoter. This is where the promoter is because the activator protein binds to the operator. The small effector molecule is also very important because in a positive inducible mechanism, when the small effector molecule is present and binds to the activator protein, the activator protein undergoes a change in its structure so that it can actually bind, so it can bind to the operator so that transcription can happen. If the small effector molecule weren't present in this situation, the activator protein would not undergo the conformational change so that it would be able to bind to this operator or the DNA activator binding site. Therefore, transcription of this gene would not occur, thus translation and expression of this gene would not happen. So I have made an analogy to make a simple analogy to help everyone understands. So in this analogy, I used to play baseball, so I found this kind of interesting. I like this analogy. Nate plays baseball for the club team at NC State. During a game, a pop fly is hit in the air, and there are already 2 outs, and catching this ball will win the game. In order to get the out, Nate must use the glove so the ball doesn't fall out. Without the glove, there is no hope to catch the ball that was hit so high up in the air. So in this example, the activator protein will be the glove, and the small effector molecule will be the baseball. Because the baseball binding to, or the glove catching the ball, which is like representative of the binding between the activator protein and the small molecule, will allow transcription, which in this case is winning the game. And that's my video. And here's my sources.